Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the thumbs up button. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this video. So I'm just going to show you how to service your sewing machine, and I'm just taking out the parts now. See, I've noticed another problem. This is now loose. This machine and belt problem. See, this thing is loose. Can you see? The belt is turned. This is the problem with this machine. Now I'm going to have to, I just used to open here because here mostly has all the problems with this machine. So as I've seen, it has another belt issue. So the one that was giving me issue before was this. Let me zoom into it. Sorry. Oh, sorry. So the one, you can see this belt, but the one that used to give me issue before was this one. But now I've changed it. It doesn't have problem. You can see I can't really squeeze it that much, but this one I can squeeze it close. Thank you so much for watching. We've come to the end of this video. I'm just using oil with a piece of cloth to clean the machine for any dust. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please, if this is your first time watching, please click on the subscribe button, help me grow my channel. Thank you so much. I post video every week if you don't know, and keep just you can click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for your love and your support. Thank you for every single comment you've been dropping. I always reply. I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful blessed day. Bye.